Alrighty then, you guys. Let's activate our watercolor paint. And let's get the magic flame of creativity and hope going. Where's my wand? We're currently dealing with a power failure, so I'm running on batteries everywhere. So I hope you guys can all see. I don't have any lights to switch on, but I thought it's light enough during our daytime here for me to continue on this beautiful painting journey. Now, my mission for this session is going to be to just begin to paint in this beautiful wood structure. But I do also notice that there are two shadows that I haven't painted in. So I'm just going to be mindful of the division here. I feel that I have misinterpreted maybe some of these lines. So let me run through them visually with myself. So we have an actual table and then we've got a deep shadow. So this is the thing about watercolor. It really is a strategic medium because you are constantly working on either wet or dry paper, and if you've done a section and it's still wet, you can't paint in the section directly next to it, because the minute those water fields touch, you will have a merging of color, and you don't always want that. So sometimes the only way to go about it is to paint in zones and in areas and allow it to dry, and then come back and then paint the neighboring sort of section. And in that process sometimes you can get sort of lost, especially if there's a lot of detail like these shadow lines. It's a lot of repeating horizontal lines just behind this bottle, but I think I must just capture the essence of it and not focus so much on the detail because it's so minute. Right, now that I figured that out, I'm going to mix color for the wood, and then I will allow that to dry, and then I'll add the extra or missing shadow areas in after the fact. I really want to get this wood in today. If you want to see the rest of this video, then join my Patreon community today, because all of the full tutorial information, behind the scenes content, magical moments, one-on-one chats, and deeper insights into the oracle of the spirit animal guide is all available on my Patreon. So use the link in the description of this video and join me today, because there's a lot of magical things happening right now.